Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have a dash cam showdown for you. On the left, we have the Pruveo dash cam D94CH, and on the right, we have the Prilet dash camera. Let's dive right into it. When it comes to video quality, both products have their strengths. The Pruveo Dashcam D90-4CH boasts a quad FHD 1920*1080p resolution, giving you sharper movies and images even at high speeds. But hold on, the Prilet dash camera takes it up a notch with a stunning 4K resolution on the front camera. That's right, folks, it's like watching your road trips in IMAX. Now let's talk about night vision. The Pruveo Dashcam D90-4CH comes equipped with an f1.8 aperture and 4 infrared lights for superior image performance at night. But wait, the Prilet dash camera isn't backing down. It also features super night vision and infrared cabin lights, ensuring clear and crisp images day or night. It's like having a night vision superhero protecting your car. GPS and tracking are essential features for a dashcam. The Pruveo Dashcam D90-4CH integrates GPS, allowing you to precisely pinpoint your location, speed, time, and routes in real time. It's a handy tool for insurance claims and roadside assistance. On the other hand, the Prilet dash camera offers a 24-hour parking continuous recording function, but you'll need to purchase a separate hardware kit. It's like choosing between Batman's GPS or the Batmobile security system. Loop recording and emergency locks are crucial to capturing every moment on the road. The Pruveo Dashcam D90-4CH ensures indefinite loop recording by automatically erasing the oldest unlocked footage. Plus, its built-in G-sensor locks the current recording when a collision is detected. But hold on tight, because the Prilet dash camera also has loop recording and a G-sensor that locks emergency footage. It's like having your own personal stunt driver capturing all the action. Let's talk about installation. The Pruveo Dashcam D90-4CH prides itself on easy installation with no battery included. Just follow the user manual, mount it on your windshield, add an SD card, and you're good to go. But hey, the Prilet dash camera also offers a hassle-free installation process. It even comes with a free U332GB micro SD memory card. It's like having a personal pit crew to set up your dashcam. Both products have received positive reviews from customers. The Pruveo Dashcam D90-4CH is praised for its clear pictures, user-friendly interface, and easy installation. On the other hand, the Prilet dash camera is highly recommended for its impressive video quality, easy operation, and reliable performance. It's clear that both products have their strengths, and it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs best. And there you have it, folks. The Pruveo Dashcam D90-4CH and the Prilet dash camera have shown us their best features. Whether you're looking for incredible video quality, top-notch night vision, or advanced GPS tracking, both products have something to offer. It's up to you to decide which one suits your needs best. Remember, making a smart purchase is all about weighing the pros and cons. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you next time.